grow a new arm.
Yeah, well, it's true. You can't grow a new arm, but we do regenerate. We regenerate every day.
Meet Dr. William Li, a scientist, physician, and the New York Times best-selling author of the books Eat to Beat Your Diet, Burn Fat, Heal Your Metabolism, and Live Longer, and Eat to Beat Disease, the new science of how your body can heal itself. Dr. Williams' extraordinary dedication to scientific innovations and research has caused him to introduce 40 new medical treatments for over 70 diseases, including cancer, blindness, heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. On top of that, his TED Talk, Can We Eat to Starve Cancer?, has attracted over 5 million views on TED's website and 3.5 million views on YouTube.
Yeah, well, stem cells are really simple. We're made of stem cells. So when our moms and dads got together and created, us in the womb, we started out as stem cells. They actually made every single organ.
An egg and a sperm.
An egg and a sperm got together, and they basically decided they would become a stem cell factory.
In this video, we will explore 5 delicious and healthy desserts in accordance with Dr. Williams' recommendations that can regrow stem cells and help repair the body. Stem cells are a highly important group of cells, having the ability to produce a variety of cell types. They can be regarded as shapeshifters, which easily turn into red blood cells, nerve cells, or muscle cells without much effort. This quality makes them a driving force in the body's regeneration and repair. Let's go through 5 amazing dessert recipes and how they can help repair our body. The very first dessert on our list is matcha ice cream. It may sound bitter, but it is a revitalizing sweet treat. Matcha ice cream is more than just a delight. It is packed with several health benefits, ready to transform your overall health. This dessert is made from matcha as the main ingredient, coupled with full-fat coconut milk, maple syrup, sea salt, and vanilla extract, which is optional.
And then for green tea, if you have matcha, which you find in a ceremonial tea, you find in a Japanese restaurant, it's bright green tea. It's kind of opaque because it's actually made with powder, and it's the entire tea leaf that's powdered. A lot of people don't realize this, but matcha is super packed with polyphenols. You know why? Matcha is grown in a very particular way. 28 days before they pick the tea leaf to make matcha, they put it under shade. They basically cover it with a canopy, and the shade is there. So the tea, in response to the tea leaf, tea plant, in response to shade, actually wants to make more polyphenols.
Matcha is a famous green tea that is available in health stores and coffee shops. Similar to green tea, it is extracted from the Camellia sinensis plant. However, its growth process is different and has a distinctive nutrient profile. It carries every single nutrient from the green tea leaf while having more caffeine and antioxidants than green tea. Experts say matcha has catechins, a group of plant compounds that work as antioxidants. Catechins help neutralize the body's free radicals, which otherwise might harm cells and trigger chronic diseases. According to a research study, incorporating matcha into your diet could increase antioxidants in the body, ultimately lowering the risk of chronic diseases.
Green tea is not the only tea that has EGCG, but there's a variation of green tea, which is matcha. Matcha is an amazing powdered form of green tea that you can get if you go to the sushi bar and you ask for green tea. They'll often give you matcha. All right, it's a super green tea. It's so concentrated that, in fact, you can't see through it. And when you sip it, you're getting this nice grassy green tea flavor. Matcha isn't just a steeped green tea. Matcha is the entire leaf of the tea plant ground into a fine powder. So it's got many more polyphenols that have much more EGCG.
Green tea has a type of antioxidant known as EGCG, which has a powerful anti-inflammatory effect and can boost immune health. It boosts the production of T regulatory or Treg cells, which can shut down immune responses. In a nutshell, EGCG helps manage autoimmune diseases which require the reduction of inflammation in the body. T0 Prepare Matcha Ice Cream. Pour 2 cans of full-fat coconut milk into a blender, 2 to 3 tablespoons of matcha powder. You can add more if you want a strong flavor, a pinch of sea salt, and a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. If you want, you may also add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend this mixture until it is smooth. Once blended, transfer the creamy mixture to a bowl and refrigerate it for 2 to 4 hours. Now transfer the chilled mixture to the ice cream maker and churn for about 20 to 30 minutes. You can also use a hand mixer if you don't own an ice cream maker. Once done, freeze it for another 2 to 4 hours and then scoop out. Sprinkle nuts, dark chocolate chips, or berries and savor. Hot chocolate is the second most delicious dessert with some awesome health benefits. This treat is made from super healthy cacao powder, almond milk, maple syrup, cinnamon, and cashew butter. This isn't only a flavorful indulgence but a gateway toward achieving a healthy body. This hot chocolate will help regenerate stem cells and repair the body. Cacao powder is prepared by processing and grounding the cacao beans. Other than cacao powder, cacao butter and liquor are also available, which are used in the making of chocolate. It is a natural and raw form of cocoa powder, which usually has added sugars. Cacao powder is naturally rich in polyphenols like flavonoids, which may interfere with the production of free radicals in the body. High amounts of free radicals in the body can cause cellular damage and chronic inflammation. Furthermore, flavonoids also trigger the immune system to catch and eliminate the damaging cells.
There was a study by UCSF in San Francisco where researchers took people with known cardiovascular disease, so they had kind of crappy blood flow, and they gave them hot chocolate.
Yeah, I was going to say the chocolate stem cell story. I want to hear about that.
It's amazing, right? In cacao, which is a bean, which then you process to actually get, kind of the cocoa powder. If you take the really dark chocolate, like 73% cacao, the really dark chocolate, and you make it into a high flavanol hot chocolate drink, and you have it twice a day. This was a clinical study. They found in people who wound up actually having drinking the hot chocolate twice a day over the course of a month, they doubled the number of stem cells compared to the people who didn't drink hot chocolate, right?
Bioactive compounds present in the cacao powder make the hot chocolate drink much more rich in flavonols. Dr. William refers to a study conducted at the University of California, which showed that participants who drank cacao hot chocolate twice for a month had twice as many stem cells than participants who didn't. By drinking this high flavanol drink, one can achieve the same. So how do we prepare this hot chocolate? Start by gathering the ingredients. 1 cup almond milk, 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/8 teaspoon cinnamon, pinch of sea salt, and 2 tablespoons canned cashew butter. Warm the milk in a saucepan on light-medium flame until it steams, but don't bring it to boil. Add all the ingredients to the steaming milk and whisk until smooth. Make sure there are no lumps. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and let the milk get thickened and creamy with a rich flavor. Taste it and add more maple syrup if required. Transfer the hot chocolate into a mug, sprinkle more cacao powder, and enjoy. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon for updates. If you'd like to see more recipe videos, drop us a comment below. On the 3rd, we have revitalizing Strawberry Plum Energy Bites. As tasty as it sounds, it's also loaded with antioxidants and a wide range of nutrients. To make these energy bites, all you need is dried strawberries and plums alongside a couple of more ingredients.
They're all foods that contain vitamin C. So that's a whole category itself. Vitamin C containing foods. What are some of the examples? Oranges, strawberries, broccoli, and cherry tomatoes. Was with lupus flares. These are huge inflammatory flares. They're extremely uncomfortable. And here's what they found. They found that the women who ate the highest levels of vitamin C containing foods, all right, again, we talked about this. These are citrus, like oranges, strawberries, broccoli, cherry tomatoes, as an example, that the women who had the highest levels of vitamin C containing foods had a 74% reduction in lupus flares. That's a huge difference.
Similar to other berries like blueberries and raspberries, strawberries are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals. These compounds fight off oxidative stress as well as reduce inflammation, both of which can lead to cell damage. Antioxidants present in the strawberries also trigger the production of collagen, a key protein for skin elasticity and tissue repair. Moreover, the vitamins and minerals in strawberries like vitamin C help with the chronic inflammation in the body. Plums, on the other hand, are sweet and juicy fruits covered with thin and smooth skin. It belongs to the same family as peaches, nectarines, and apricots. While plums can be a good addition to salads and desserts, their significant health benefits are the best part. Plums are high in nutrients. Aside from fiber and antioxidants, they contain 15 different vitamins and minerals. The antioxidants inside plums help protect the cells from damage caused by free radicals and lower inflammation. They can also have positive effects on bone health and reduce the chances of heart disease. To prepare this dish, you need a cup of dried plums, half a cup of dried or freeze-dried strawberries, a cup of rolled oats, half a cup of peanut butter, a pinch of sea salt, and a tablespoon of maple syrup. Only if you want additional sweetness. Blend the dried strawberries and plums in the food processor until it forms a paste. Transfer the paste to a bowl, add the remaining ingredients, and mix well. Now roll the mixture into 1-inch balls. Place a parchment paper on a baking tray and set the balls over it. Refrigerate for 30 minutes and enjoy. You can store them in an airtight jar in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. The next incredible dessert on our list is Mango Coffee Smoothie. This nutrient-packed, energizing smoothie is made from coffee, mango, banana, and a couple more ingredients. Aside from being a delight for your taste buds, the natural ingredients in this smoothie are effective in stem cell regeneration.
Coffee has chlorogenic acid and many other polyphenols, but the chlorogenic acid not only boosts your health defenses, but it also triggers your metabolism and it stimulates your metabolism from going as well. A little bit of the caffeine, which I'm able to tolerate. Not everybody can tolerate caffeine, but I'm able to tolerate the caffeine. Caffeine also stimulates not only your kind of like your brain, but also stimulates your metabolism as well.
Coffee is a popular beverage all around the world for its great taste and ability to boost energy levels. In addition to that, coffee has chlorogenic acid and polyphenols, both of which help the body in remarkable ways. Chlorogenic acid boosts the body's health defenses as well as the body's metabolism while reducing the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. Mangoes, on the other hand, are rich in a bioactive compound called mangiferin. This compound is known to work as a protective shield for your stem cells, safeguarding them from conditions like high blood sugar, high salt content, cigarette smoke, and alcohol. In addition to this, mangoes are also a good source of dietary fiber, improving your gut health. A healthy gut can help reduce inflammation and boost the immunity system. To make this smoothie, first, grab your ingredients. 1 ripe mango, half a cup of chilled brewed coffee, a frozen banana, half a cup of coconut milk, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and 2 pitted dates. In a blender, add chopped mango, chilled brewed coffee, banana, chia seeds, coconut milk, and dates. Blend the mixture until it turns smooth and creamy. Give it a taste and add 1 more date if you prefer extra sweetness in coffee if you like a stronger taste. Transfer the smoothie to a tall glass or bowl and garnish with ground coffee. The last superfood dessert on our list is orange yogurt parfait. Its name might make it sound difficult, but this healthy dessert is super easy to prepare. Orange yogurt parfait is made from oranges, Greek yogurt, almonds, and honey.
Now, how does vitamin C work? Well, in a lot of different ways, but one of the ways that vitamin C has been shown to work in the body is that it increases your body's special kind of immune cells called T-reg cells. These are T regulator cells. T cells are special parts of your attack cells for your immune system against enemies. And T-regs actually turn down the attack cells, right? So this is the volume down switch in your immune system. And vitamin C turns that volume down, anti-inflammatory in the context of autoimmune disease.
All citrus fruits, including oranges, contain high amounts of vitamin C, which aids in collagen synthesis. Collagen is a protein required in the regeneration and repair of tissues, forming blood vessels, muscles, and cartilage. It also supports the immune system, making it strong enough to safeguard the body against viruses, bacteria, and autoimmune diseases. Additionally, vitamin C is a strong antioxidant, protecting the cells from oxidative stress. The flavonoids present in citrus fruits have anti-inflammatory effects and also support cellular health. Nuts like almonds and walnuts are packed with various nutrients. They provide significant amounts of protein, vitamins, and minerals, aiding in cell membrane structure, boosting the immune system, and tissue repair. Furthermore, nuts also contain vitamin E and selenium, which protect the cells from the damage caused by free radicals. Now, let's make orange yogurt Parfait. These are the ingredients you will need: 2 oranges, a cup of Greek yogurt, 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey, 1/4 cup of chopped almonds, and 1/4 cup of orange zest. Peel the oranges and try to remove the white pith completely. Separate the segments and chop them in small sizes. Add the yogurt and honey to a bowl and whisk it until it turns smooth. Take serving glasses or a bowl and start by adding a layer of yogurt followed by a layer of chopped oranges and sprinkle some chopped almonds. Repeat the process until the glass or bowl is fully filled. Garnish it with orange zest and enjoy. You can also refrigerate it for 10 to 15 minutes if you prefer it chilled. If you are interested in exploring more healthy dessert recipes or lunch ideas, watch this next video.